Welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily show or hide selected icons and folders on your Windows desktop. Let's get started. The first step is to open the desktop location. Press and hold the Control key and select the files and icons that you want to hide. Now right-click and then click Properties. In the attributes, check Hidden, and then click Apply and OK to save the changes. All the selected files and icons will now be converted to hidden, but they will still be shown in light color because the View Hidden Files option is still enabled. We need to disable it. On the upper left of your screen, click the View tab and uncheck Hidden Items. This will hide all your selected folders and icons on your desktop. On your screen, you will find some icons that are not shown in the desktop location. These are shortcuts of software programs. We can hide them by simply right-clicking on the icon and selecting Properties. On the Properties window, click on General and check the Hidden option. Then click Apply and OK to save the changes. And just like that, the icons and folders you chose will no longer be visible on your desktop. Remember, if you want your icons and folders to be shown again, just follow the exact same steps we just covered. And that's it. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Stay tuned for more tech-related content. And until next time,